Hello my friends, Sasha Builds here. Today with another video tutorial to some cool stuff from GPT. I want to show you today not topics about ChatGPT. It's about another GPT model, or let's say GPT chat model or chat. It's so-called Freedom GPT. And one model, or let's say one module, is pretty interesting and sounds really exciting to me. It's the so-called PhoneCall GPT. What can you expect from a PhoneCall GPT? There is the description, just to give you an idea for, let's say, a business case. If you are a factory and create, let's say, 3D printers, you build 3D printers, and now you want to push your sales, and you have, let's say, phone numbers from potential customers, and you have to make conversations with them, making appointments and so on. In the future, or maybe also in the next few years, you could use PhoneCall GPT, for example, which gives you the opportunity that you define a caller, a salesman. Keep it in simple words, a prompt. In this prompt, you can say the name of the person and also what the goal is for the conversation with the called person, which means if you say, hey, please call this number, the goal of the call should be for the PhoneCall GPT to get an appointment, to get data or contact details or email addresses to get in further conversation, and also maybe to make push you also your sales. Tried it weeks ago, but the problem was the call was interrupted after the first saying of hello, my name is, and then it was closed, the line. And now I have seen today that developers have updated the module regarding also the voices you can have for the conversation, which means you can imitate different voice variants, like an old man, a middle-aged woman, or a young female one also. And you will see this could be in some sort also scary, because it's not just like the voice will uh, talk about the stuff you prompted. It can also interact with the other partner in conversation, and it's also making nice sentences. And also you can in the prompt say he should be consequent, he should be calm, and maybe also enforcing or harsh. It would be the rude way, but yeah, we will give it a try. I want just to give you an audio voice so you can see how it can sound. This one is the old male.
A handwritten letter carries the warmth and sincerity that words on a screen cannot match.
And here, for example, let's say we use a young American male.
The aroma of freshly brewed coffee signals the start of a new day's adventure.
Okay, I will choose the old man. The phone number is entered. It's an Austrian number. And now I will say call now. The problem is here you have to pay, because the developers said already they have to pay some sort of fees for using this service, which means you have to pay in tokens or credits. And yeah, every test I make costs me about 75 credits, but I have a few left for testing purpose. And it's also for me cool to see what tech stuff is going to be in the future. And now I will try to record the call. The call is being made from Dallas, Texas, and then it should go on with the prompt, and I will switch to the speakers from the iPhone, this one, and it's not recorded on my phone, which you will see in the conversation. It should be working. So let's go on, and I click on call now, and then you see I get already the call. I just have to remove this one. Hello? Hello? Who's there? Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good day.
Who are
My
you?
name is Boris, and this shares. Good evening. My name is Boris, and I represent 3D Printers Austria. We are currently enhancing the 3D printing market with some fantastic offers on our printers. I'm excited to tell you about two amazing deals. We have the Creality Cone, a reliable and user-friendly printer, Now on sale for only €300. And for those looking for something more advanced, we also have the Premium Terminator 2, which features dual print heads and is going for €2,000. I'd love to discuss how these printers can benefit your business or personal projects. May I have the contact information of the owner to provide more details?
Could you give me more details about yourself, Boris?
Certainly.
So,
I am a representative of. We pride ourselves on helping both enthusiasts and professionals in the 3D printing community to find the perfect solutions for their projects. If you're interested, I can share more about our products and how they can add value to your work. Would you like to hear more about our current offers or discuss how we can assist you with your 3D printing needs?
just give me the info how you can assist me.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to explain how we can assist you. Our current offers include two distinct 3D printers catered to different needs. Firstly, we have the Creality Cone, which is currently on sale for €300. It's a great fit. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable printer that can tackle a wide range of projects, it's especially suitable for beginners or those who need a cost-effective solution for their 3D printing needs. On the other end, we have our premium 3D printer, the Terminator 2. Priced at €2,000, this machine is a powerhouse with dual print heads, allowing for more complex prints and a higher throughput. It is ideal for professionals requiring high-quality, detailed work.
Boris, sorry to interrupt you. May I tell you something?
Of course, please go ahead. I'm here to listen and assist you with any information you need. What would you like to tell me?
I'm not really interested in your offers.
I understand, and I appreciate your candor. We know that our offers might not align with everyone's needs. If you ever find yourself reconsidering, or if there's anything we can assist you with in the future regarding 3D printing, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. I wish you a nice evening, and remember, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. Have a great day ahead, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Boris. This was the call. This was the prompting. Makes this somehow, maybe for some people, scary, but I like it a lot. That's why I spent money on those credits to test it, and I'm happy, really, really happy that it works now. And it's really amazing what it is possible to do with such modules in GPT, which gives me a lot of ideas for the future, which means you'll write a little prompt, add your things or your stuff you want to be transmitted with the phone call to a potential customer, and the rest is done by the GPT. You just have to guide him how he should react on positives or negatives. And the thing is, as you have seen here, normally should be the response written from myself, from the opposite called person. Yeah, it's not working. This one is not working well, but the call in the very beginning it was a little bit struggling. But then when he was starting his conversation, we went into it, and you see it's amazing, and I like it a lot. So, which means you should give a glance or a glimpse to the so-called PhoneCall GPT. Yeah, you have to spend maybe for testing some money, but it will give you an idea for the future what it is possible, and maybe what you can do or accomplish in your company with so-called GPT models. And thank you also for joining this video. I hope it was interesting for you. And yeah, my prompt was pretty simple. I also added this quote because I wanted to show that he's doing what I tell him with the prompt, and also to show up that he can interact with my acting and also adapt to it. And it was interesting to me that he's also extending a lot of sentences. It's not just like, hey, I have two offers for you. I offer one and offer two. He was really making a smart conversation, and you also see with the noises, pitching, going higher, raising the voice, lowering the voice, which means, from my opinion, uh, in the early beginning, it was a little bit okay, what's going on. But then when the conversation started, it went fluently. And for me, except that I know what I'm doing now. It was not really recognizable that this is an Autobot, or let's say a GPT call bot, or however you will call it. But yeah, thank you for joining this little video and this little funny session. I wish you a nice evening and see you next time. Bye bye.